Welcome back to our Bluey camper build. In this video we are installing our toilet. When we found this awesome Thetford toilet at Ferguson for an amazing price, we all got excited about the toilet. We just wanted to install it straight away, but there's a few steps in between and some parts we still needed to order. So we started by cutting out the hole for the cassette in the wall. We added extra aluminium structure to this area, so when we put the door on the outside it will be supported. Jason attaches the clip for the toilet before cutting the hole for the toilet cassette. Parts to attach a water pump to our toilet arrived from Nelson. We already have an 80 psi water pump just for the toilet and water filter. We had to reduce the water pressure from 80 psi down to 14 using a regulator. We are using 9mm duo type push fittings. We installed a check valve just after the regulator so water can't flow back down the pipe. Jason modifies the toilet so the water pipe will fit in this new position. He removes the back of the toilet so he can install clips to hold the water tap. Next, Jason removes the electrical plug and attaches the new one which plugs into our system. Jason drills the holes in the floor for the water and electrical leads. Jason attaches a right angle water connection and glues it in position. I glue and screw the back of the toilet on. Jason used a grinder to cut through the side of the truck to make the opening for the cassette. Next we had to connect the new plumbing to the existing solenoid valve.
Space out the diameter of the fittings.
We check to see if the cassette still fits past our new fittings. Now it's time for me to glue up the base of the toilet with MS. We clip the toilet in position. Jason clamps it and I screw it down. We connect the water and electrical connections. I insert the cartridge, then we tape it up before a storm hits. We'll install the toilet door in a future episode.